don't know if you can see it, but this plate has a fairly significant bow in it. And what I'm worried about is these braces on both sides that are going to connect to the post need to be in the right location, or the post will twist, in my opinion, when I go to try to connect it on both sides. So I ran this string. A lot of people just do a chalk line down the other end, and am lining up my mortises. Normally I would come 3 inches off what should be the reference face for the start of each of these mortise holes. For the post I have a 2-inch mortise, and for the braces I have 1.5 inches. And like I said, I would come 3 inches off of this reference face in. But because I've got a bow 3 inches off this particular edge of the board is not as far in as I need to be to line up with this.
So quickly, here's what I'm talking about. I modeled it in SketchUp. Here's the plate with a 5/8 inch bow in it. And so I normally come 3 inches off of the reference face. So 3 inches off here is where this mortise hole would start, and then 3 inches off of this face would be where this starts. But as you can see, that's actually 3 3/8 inches, and that's why I needed that string to determine it. If I had come 3 inches off, then my mortise would have started here, and I would have had significant pressure on this trying to get it to move 3/8 inch, get this tenon to move 3/8 of an inch to the left. Who knows what would have happened.
My new reference face for this becomes this string right there, or if it was a chalk line, then it would be that's the chalk line. So this is the first time I've done this. I've tried to use the square rule method this whole time. When you get irregular timbers like this, all bets are off, and you've got to go to either faking the square rule with something like this, or scribing, or whatever else. So I hope it turns out I know what I'm doing. We're going to find out. But I thought I'd show you guys what I did.